Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says, three companions neared the chambers of the Prophet's wives in order to ask about the Prophet's worship. When they were notified, they, considering it insufficient, said, "What is our position as compared to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whose former and future lapses, if there exists any, has been forgiven? I submit, who has been kept immune from committing sins in his past and future life." So one of them said, "Now I will perform the prayer throughout the night forever." The other said, "I will keep observing fast throughout rest of my life and will not omit it any day." The third one said, "I will remain away from the women and will never marry." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam meanwhile came there and said, "You are the people who said so and so. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu more than you and thus eschew sins more than anybody else. Yet I observe fast and leave it, perform the prayer during the night and also sleep, and marry the people as well. So whosoever eschews my sunnah is not from me on my way." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5063.